Central banks are some of the most important institutions in the global economy. In this video today, we're going to be looking at what they are, what they do, and how they impact our daily lives. First off, what is a central bank? A central bank is a national bank of a country. It is responsible for issuing the country's currency, regulating the banking system, and managing the country's monetary policy. Central banks are typically independent of the government, which allows them to make decisions based on economic factors rather than political ones. So, why are central banks so important? Central banks are crucial not only for market participants, but for the whole economy. Central banks control the money supply. In turn, this means that a central bank's monetary policy or implementation of its fiscal policy can have effects on the direction of the financial market. One of the main tools of any central bank is setting interest rates. As the central bank changes its rates, it not only influences the interest rates market, but also the foreign exchange market. What are the most important central banks? There are 4 central banks whose decisions could have a major impact on the financial markets. 1, the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve is a central bank of the United States of America. Number 2, the European Central Bank, which is the central bank of the European Monetary Union, the central bank of 19 European Union countries who have adopted the euro. 3, Bank of Japan. As the name suggests, this is the central bank of the country of Japan. And lastly, the Bank of England. Despite what the name suggests, this is the central bank of the whole of the United Kingdom, not just England. As you can see, central banks can be described as some of the most powerful market participants. Their decisions, or even a single statement from one of its policymakers, could have a significant impact not only on currencies, but also on stocks and bond markets. That is why a prudent trader should closely monitor everything that is connected with monetary policy and central bank decisions. And make sure you follow XTB to learn more about trading and investing.